Hello, guys. I've come up with a crazy theory. If you think about it, Teen Wolf is actually the OC, but with werewolves. And here's reason number one: Styles and Seth Cohen, kind of the same characters if you think about it, because first of all, they are both in love with a girl since kindergarten or middle school or something, and they're both super sarcastic. They're totally loyal friends. They're a bit nerdy if you think about it. They're not athletic, or well, a little bit, yes. But the fact that the whole summer and setting, the whole legend styles thing, that's a bit similar. Also, Scott and Allison have this dynamic that Marissa and Ryan had, because Ryan is uh, not some popular guy. He's a bit shy, and Marissa and Allison, both of them are actually a girl that's not shy. She's popular, she's open, she's friendly, she's nice. But they don't exactly make the perfect match because uh, society doesn't think they belong together. But in the shows they do. Also, something that Summer and Lydia have in common, they're both sort of as shallow girls, or as I called it, the stupid high school girl trope. And at the end, they're both super smart because actually Summer, I think, got into Stanford, or I don't remember the school right now, but yes. And they have similar things, the drama too. And yes,